Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, as always, we have a little surprise planned just for today. Now, this is where it actually gets very, very interesting. Base 44. Everyone's been hyping no-code and low-code tools like Lovable, Replete, or Cursor as the future of rapid app building. But hold on. Asi's own Sachin is here. How are you feeling, Sachin? Are you doing good? Are you enjoying
A
yourself?
very happy birthday to Mr. Sudhi, first
Oh,
and
man.
foremost. Okay, so, ठीक है ना, बराबर.
Thank you so much. I'm
Please
so
continue.
grateful. Thank you so much. I thought you were going to sing it, but anyway.
No,
All right. Well, Sachin, a big warm welcome. Now, of course, a bigger one
yeah.
because you wished me. Sachin Tripathi is here from Adasi, and he's introducing us to a brand new vibe coding tool. Yes, am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And of course, where this code actually meets creativity, which Sachin is all about, and apparently it's already proving to be a little more lovable than well lovable, and the other flashy tools in the market. So, well, this isn't just about drag and drop. I hope I'm right.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope I got the brief right.
Yeah, you got
And
it, you
it's
got it
about
correct.
building production
Yes.
ready workflows with AI that doesn't autocomplete code but vibes with your intent. Is everyone getting that? Because the claim is fighter iterations, cleaner design, security, say it with me, say it with passion, and a smoother developer experience. We'll let Sachin show us. मैं थोड़ा जज्बाती हो गया था. Carry on.
So, ठीक है, we can forgive him. It's his birthday.
Yeah.
But yes, of course, everybody. We're going to talk about a tool which actually vibes along with you.
Nice.
So
I
now
already like the vibe.
this thing is like we have chosen this very specific topic for today because obviously it's his birthday and we wanted to
Thank you.
make him more excited.
I'm honored.
So, okay, first and foremost thing, everybody, vibe coding is something that we're gonna look at today. There are a lot of platforms, as he has already told you, Cursor, Lovable, Replete, and all these things. We're gonna be talking about base 44.
Fair.
But before we start with that, Sudhi, what is vibe coding?
What I can probably understand from the term, and Sachin, obviously you will correct me if I'm wrong. The way I understand it is that vibe coding is something where you tend to get into a flow in terms of coding. You don't need to follow a lot of the old structures and norms and the guardrails in the past that were followed by coders. And platforms are allowing you to go ahead and build apps with a lot more ease. So, for example, you can actually just type in prompts and apps are popping out. Am I right? Am I wrong? Am I right?
Correct. So you are not
I'm
100%
vibing, man.
there.
I'm vibing. Don't.
You're not 100% there,
But I'm getting
yes, most part is correct,
Fair.
completely accurate.
Fair.
So we have our Andre Karpati, who
Yes.
was co-founder of OpenAI. Previously, he
Absolutely.
worked in Tesla
Sure.
as director of AI and autopilot, etc. So he coined this term earlier in 2000.
Yes, he mentioned.
Yeah,
Yes.
in 2025 itself. And then another thing he has
Also,
coined, which we'll talk about.
at a university, Sachin, if I remember it correctly, he did mention it across to people that no longer is it that you need to
Yeah.
be, entrapped by the coding
Technicality,
language,
yes.
technicalities.
So
you can actually, if you know English, you can.
We talked about this at length before yesterday also.
Yeah.
So vibe coding actually means that you are not looking at the backend, you're not looking at the lower level of the code. You are actually working on the high level part. You're vibing, you're trying to feel and then trying to make the application in that manner just by providing prompts.
Which is wonderful.
Which is wonderful actually, because not many people know how to build an app.
Yes.
As far as if you're a computer scientist, then you will
And
know.
it could be daunting to build an app.
Obviously, when you see a web page, it's a culmination of different or multiple web pages, right? So building one single web page is a Herculean task. But then vibe coding lets you build the entire website with ease. Okay?
And you're gonna
we're gonna do it. You're gonna do it.
showcase it with the app.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
We're gonna do it in front of you. So I hope you got that clear. What is vibe
Yes, we are
coding,
absolutely clear.
from where it came, and all these things. Now, coming
You don't
on
need
to
to have dreadlocks,
no.
and you don't need to listen to a lot of reggae or anything like that.
Any
Get your vibe
person,
going.
once again,
Anyone can be
yes,
vibing.
any person, simple English knowledge. Also, we have got multilingual LLMs, so you don't have to be very much proficient in
Adept
English
at
also.
English.
Yes, any language you feel you can vibe.
Fair.
Now, the thing is, base 44. Now, this one software
Sounds ominous. Doesn't it?
it sounds ominous.
It's like one
but
of those government secret
but
files.
once you actually look, yeah, I can understand
Base
area 51,
44, yeah,
area
yeah.
55, and all these things you're looking at. But what happens is, it's like a complete WordPress for vibe coders.
Okay.
Now, what happens is, you're not just building a website through it, but you are actually taking the complete ownership in terms of what are the users on that platform, what
Okay.
is the security,
Okay, fair
what is the domain configuration,
Fair enough.
all these things you can do. Okay,
enough.
so without a further ado, now
Should I do a drum roll?
it's not needed, but what should we build today? That's the question of the hour. So,
Wait, let me
birthday
think.
boy.
Let me think, man. Stop pressurizing me. A dating app.
Okay.
Let's go with.
So-
But wait, there is a caveat. A dating app
Yeah.
for people, well, who are in their maturer stages of life.
So
That's
he's
the-
probably thinking about his future.
Yes,
so-
it could be my birthday
Yeah.
gift. What do you say?
Yeah. So you can use it in your future,
We
right?
talk about really plugging it.
Okay. So we want to build a dating app, right?
Yes, yes.
So you can
I
say,
can already see that you're excited about that.
I am just thinking that what's going to happen to you in future when you start
Depends
using
entirely
these,
on the
these
kind of app you're building.
I want to build a dating app for,
For the maturer, for let's say the maturer age group.
okay, just people aged
Yes,
50
fair enough,
plus,
fair
okay?
enough.
The app, now, what do you want the app to have, or what do you think the app should have? So for instance,
Ladies,
obviously that will be there.
Jen,
So,
important point.
okay.
Yeah.
But apart from them, how to what
The
kind
nuances,
of what
basically.
kind of sections,
So the
or
kind of nuances that you'd want to
say
put
for
probably.
example, you want to have a user profile
Sure,
where you
sure.
can update your details.
Yes.
You can put whatever you want
I think a
the
little
ladies
more,
to see
a
what you
little
want,
more
right?
personable, maybe.
Yeah.
You know,
So-
because you've reached a mature age, so you have a lot more to share.
Correct.
You know,
So app should have a user profile. Obviously, you need to have a discovery, right? You
Yes,
need to
for
see
sure.
what are there.
I'm still
So,
trying to find my discovery, but anyway.
yeah, you're gonna use this app later on. Don't worry. Don't be worried about it. So, discovery section
Right.
where the user or the user can actually look for people.
So
based
मतलब और
on
क्या ढूंढ
their-
रहे थे हम लोग?
obviously अब लिखना पड़ेगा
अच्छा,
ना।
sorry.
based on their interests,
Okay.
along with their, we need a profile pic, right?
Sure, sure.
Profile pic. So
Very important.
you can make use of Unsplash or Pixel.
You know, people are
for
actually
a
excited.
demo
They're saying, do it
section.
fast, do it fast.
So we are gonna
We are
see,
on the cutting edge of giving people relations,
as of now, our website is not gonna have a lot of users.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put in a dummy section, some dummy profiles, so that they can
So that you got
can
my hopes up for a
yeah,
second.
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So dummy profiles,
Thanks, huh?
okay, to be showcased in the discovery section.
Fair.
Now,
I
what
don't know.
else? What else?
I think that's a good start.
Meet and greet.
Obviously, a meet and greet.
So we also need a meet section where we can plan
How to greet.
when to meet and
Oh,
where to
okay.
meet actually. How to greet,
Sorry.
when to meet and how to meet. Okay.
Ah.
Now, this is more than sufficient for now.
I think, yes, that
okay.
is.
But let us see, because it takes a little bit time. Based on your prompt, it will
Have you, what kind
have
of
a
apps
look.
have you built in the past?
So,
Using base 44.
primarily what
I'm
happens
genuinely
is,
distracted, but carry on.
no. See, what happens is that whatever it can come in your mind as far as you are concerned that I need to make an app of this sort,
Sure.
it should have this, it should have this. Say an analyst, a researching website, a dating app,
Right.
okay, stock market researcher,
Sure.
cryptocurrency researcher, anything that can come in your mind.
Still doesn't trump my idea of a dating.
Yeah, because see, what happens is when a person understands about himself and knows what's he gonna do, what he is going to do in his future.
That's true vibe coding, isn't it?
Like that's what you are doing here.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes.
So everybody, he is not just we are not
There is
just
a
giving a
complete
demo.
clear vested interest
Yeah,
here.
we are not just giving a demo about vibe coding, but we are
are we
also
trying
trying
to
to
fool?
fortify
Yeah,
so these
absolutely.
future.
Thank you,
So he
Sachin.
gets somebody, some companionship, right?
Well, you go went with dummy
Hopefully.
profiles, man.
But yeah, once the app is up, not many
Then
people
yes.
can come and you have got a full ocean.
Okay,
So
great.
just dive in. Okay, so
You're married, right?
yes.
Okay, just checking. Just yeah. Anyway.
So he is not only fortifying his future in terms of getting a girlfriend, but also trying to destroy already prepared homes in that sector, right?
Me? No. I don't want to ire Kangana Ranaut again
Okay.
because
so,
she's already irritated.
we know we're not going to go in that direction.
Okay.
But yes,
Yeah, we
it's going to take
don't
some
want to.
time. But yes, until then, I can also, it's going to build something in that direction. But yes, there are some things which I want to show the audience actually, that if you want to take a feel that what sort of applications can be built or users have already built,
Sure.
you can go to the app templates.
Right.
Okay, so until this is getting built, because it takes time to vibe and all, so here you can see that there are different domains. Okay.
Tell me this with something like you cannot build a betting app, can you?
No, we can build, but most probably we're not gonna go live on that.
Sachin,
Yeah, so
what are you doing, man?
we can,
Okay, fine.
but it's not gonna look unless you are able to use a VPN or something like that, or you go outside India. Okay,
Sachin, yeah.
so lot of things are there.
Wonderful, huh? In terms of
See,
your
as long
strategies.
as long as you are learning, as long as you are experimenting, there is no problem.
No, but the
No harm done.
the law of the land needs to be respected.
Yeah,
There's
see.
no confusion there.
That thing is something which is important.
Absolutely.
Okay. So here are some of the templates, and you can see many people have already built a lot of things.
Sure.
And if you want to just take a feel, you can just click on view details, click on view app, and you can see their app in action.
Nice.
So here one person has already built a code master, and he has asked for login. So I'm just gonna go and log in and just show you the app.
That one person is you, Sachin.
Yes. No. These apps are community built.
Okay.
So what I'm showcasing you is a complete community of people who have built apps and they have published it,
Okay.
shared it for people to see. So
I thought that was you building
no,
these incognito behind the curtain.
no, it's not like that. So not many people are there who are using, and so sometimes what we feel is that we are stuck somewhere,
Sure.
and we are not aware as to what should we write or what sort of website should we build. We need some sort of inspiration, right, in our life. So here is one app which has been built using this platform.
Which is master programming one language at a time.
Just a simple example.
Nice.
Okay, so person can go continue learning. They can go ahead. They can see the lesson and they can run the code. They'll get the
that's
answer.
amazing.
They don't have to go anywhere. They can see what the code is doing,
truly
what the answer is coming,
Nice.
and there is a progress section and everything. So this is one app. Now let's come back and see our app is still getting
Taking
made.
a little bit of time, right?
So you can see here that based on our prompt, first the application will make use of LLM at the back end, right?
Sure.
It will understand
Right.
what all sections have to be there in the website.
Right.
Now, if we give something, it will take that into consideration as a context. But if we don't give something, it can plan some improvements, some improvisations and use it. So
You know, that's tricky on a dating app,
yes,
right?
yes. So you have to be very careful with the prompt and everything that you're going to put, because if it does something out of the blue, that is actually something like hallucination, some sort of problem,
Sure.
some sort of issue.
You're talking about
So-
my last relationship. Anyway, carry
So
on.
you have to be very careful.
Sure.
So now I have given the prompt and you can see that user profile section has come. By default, I have already given Unsplash and everything. Profile photo has come.
But
But
tell me,
yes,
but you know why this is also relevant in terms of the fact that Elon Musk had commented
Yes.
that moving forward, AI might actually
Yes.
take on a lead
So-
in building or making relationships work.
so
or
what happens
handling
actually,
them, helping them.
see, if we just talk about your use case, it is important. We cannot deny that. Okay. If we consider it from a technical perspective, AI based, so vibe coding is actually a form of AI assisted software development.
Sure.
Okay. So here, what you're seeing is that without any knowledge of languages which we require for creating websites, we are able to create a website
It's fascinating. We did it in less than 5 minutes.
and everything is here.
It is.
You can change your photo. You can see a browser open,
Yeah,
file
yeah.
browser, you can put your information, you can put your age. I'm not going to do that, and look at this.
Nice.
So it is
Nice.
going on with the time also.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you interested in? You put everything. Which state? Suppose I'm just putting Karnataka. What is your
Did it say everything or everyone?
so,
Oh, thank
so
God.
everyone
Yeah,
is also
because I
one
mean, going
option.
with the times,
So
I know.
a lot of things are here.
Yes.
But your relationship goal. So long-term relationship,
Nice,
companionship.
man. Honestly,
Okay.
this is...
And you can choose your interests and hobbies. Now, this is a very bland. I have
You
not
chose
put
dancing, cooking and gardening.
just for the sake
in
of
that
example.
order.
Just for the sake of example. Now,
That would be brilliantly talented, Sachin, if
Obviously.
you were dancing while cooking and gardening.
no, see, the interest is something which we do one by one.
Ah, okay.
Not all at once.
Fair, fair.
Okay. But I don't know if you're able to do that, that's something very wonderful. On the other hand, if you see, the website is very bland.
It is.
We need to put some sort of templates and all.
Sure.
So this also gives you a chance to
To spruce
apply.
it up.
Yes. Now we're going to look at other pages as well. So there is a discover page. You can see the filter.
Nice, man.
And here you can see some of
Who's
the...
Margaret Thompson?
So some automated dummy data has come
Damn.
because I have put. So what happens is when this app is up and people are creating their accounts, all these accounts will come and it will start appearing here.
Okay.
Okay. And there is a meet section. Okay. So where you can see the upcoming meetings and everything.
Sure.
But we need to put again. So what happens is what I want to tell with this is vibe coding is something which is not done in one single prompt.
You got to
It is-
vibe with it.
You have to
Yeah.
iteratively enhance,
Fair enough.
continuously, repetitively put your thoughts.
And
See,
it'll keep refining
Yes.
it. Keep refining it.
see the
Percolating
look.
it. Yeah.
See in front of you what is happening.
Yeah.
What do you want? Write it down. Check again.
And then keep going.
Continuously, iteratively.
Like a
enhance.
relationship.
Yes, yes. So you're doing that.
Perfect analogy.
Obviously. And one of the most important things about this app, why I chose this app for this particular session.
Because I thought it was a good idea.
See, lovable and all are good. Lovable is there, Replit is there, Bolt is there. But then, if you come on this dashboard section, now here you get to see the complete overview. Okay. Users. So as of now, I am logged in. But if, for instance, I publish this, okay, this is the web link. Now, just for the sake of example, I'll open an incognito window. So I'm not running anywhere else. I open this app, okay, and here it will ask me to log in.
Sure.
Now, what I'm going to do is, let me do
Although
one
we
thing.
need to change the name of the app. Golden Match. It sounds like
Yeah,
a
we can
heavyweight
do all
championship of the world.
we can do all that. We can do all that. So I'm just going to take another email and I'm just going to log in. I don't want to create another
Why
account.
did you
and
get
everything.
distracted and you're taking an email? Come up with a name.
Arey, the thing is, you have to log
Second
in.
chapter.
Second chapter.
Shokeen.
अच्छा ठीक है शौकीन रख दे मेरे भाई we'll put that okay we'll put that but let's make a user right
Sure, sure.
so don't drift off the
Sorry,
point
sorry.
dude you will get the app
Fair enough.
you will use it in future
I have a very obvious question.
see
Do you think lovable
Yeah.
would have made a better dating app, no pun intended.
Look, see, you can make a good app on Livable. You can make a good app on this also. That's not the point. The point is the features. So what you're doing on Livable, you're doing the exact same thing here also. But apart from that, there are a lot of different functionalities
Which you get hingy.
which you getting here. So just for the sake of example, on this dashboard, if you're talking about user, so anyone who logs in now, see, look at this.
Right.
I logged in with my account and this user I can see, I can manage that person.
Nice.
Okay. This is the data. So I can see.
There is a comment where
Yes.
they've said that you don't know anything about code.
Look at this.
Preeti.
All the things are there.
How she's
Yeah.
just gone ahead and said
So,
this, it's insulting. It's
He has gone full Kabir Singh mode now.
wrong.
I don't
I'm
know.
hurt.
You will find your Preeti.
No, I'm
don't
hurt
worry.
because of you.
What?
Because of the comment for you.
Arre,
They
don't-
said Preeti said that I know it was for me, but I was just going ahead.
Arre, it's fine.
Carry
Okay. So we have got users. You can see the complete analytics. You can, if you buy a paid plan of this, you can actually configure your own domain.
Nice.
Normally what WordPress does.
Yes, true.
Security, you can do a security check of your website, vulnerability assessment, which is a huge thing in today's time.
Definitely it is, because I mean, at so many levels, when you talked about the fact that you can actually verify the layers
Yes.
which are
Yes.
the guardrails as far as the app is
You
concerned.
can see here, this match section is public.
But tell me this,
Meeting
there
section
are,
is public.
everyone ends up using, let's say, base 44. There are so many people who are exploring this. There's so many people who are vibing with it. Why is it that this is not going to market? For example, if a person ends up building an app, something as brilliant as Shaukin, right? Why is it that, what would be, let's say, the hurdles for a person to actually go ahead and launch the app, take it to market, etc.? I would love for you to shed light on
See,
that.
understand one thing. Building a software is one part.
Sure.
Once that software, once that application, or once that website is built, then comes the business plan wherein you are trying to market, you're trying to sell, you're trying to put in users.
This is important.
On that
You understand,
website.
right? But this is important because anybody who's going ahead and vibe coding is building,
Everybody
is doing
can
it for
build.
money.
Everybody can build.
Exactly.
Now, the main thing is you need to have some sort of USP,
Sure.
some sort of unique selling point,
Fair.
which is going to attract people onto this platform.
Sure.
There are a lot of dating apps, some good, some bad. Some.
This will be the best.
So the thing is, we need to have some sort of USP. What is unique offering that your application, your software is giving, which none of the rest
So that is
in
as
this
far
particular
as
thing giving.
going to market is concerned.
That is one thing.
But this particular platform allows you the opportunity for you to build up the app.
Yes.
It is market ready.
Yes. It gives you all the necessary details about your application.
Right.
You can manage it right off the bat.
Nice.
So you don't need to worry about external deployment for that matter, managing the users,
So you do a beta
database.
testing, for example.
Yeah.
You do a beta testing of it, and how I could gather from what you said that as the app is throwing up problems, once you're in the testing phase, you're going to keep vibing with it, keep
Yes.
vibing with it, keep improving it, fine tuning it, refurbishing
yes,
it,
yes.
and then from that point in time, it's ready for it to probably take off, and that's
Yes.
when the VCs come in.
And obviously, once you put it on, then again, the refinement won't stop.
Sure, exactly.
Every single day, every single hour, you will have to be ready. Something might break, something
Tell me this,
might
Sachin,
not
how
work.
many people have you known who have probably used these platforms and actually have successfully launched apps and they're working?
There are a lot of companies. Even at AIM, we have got Machine Hack.
Nice.
This team is also using vibe coding in certain instances.
Fair.
Because see, what happens is, if you write everything, type everything, the code and everything,
Sure.
it takes time.
And it's exhausting.
And obviously, one thing I would like to mention this to audience also. As far as complex systems are concerned, traditional coding is still the best.
Sure.
But vibe coding saves you a lot of time.
Right.
You can make a prototype, you can present it, and then based on that, you can continue building it. So there you can use traditional coding and all these things. Not a problem. So as long as you have got a working prototype, you have something, right?
Sure,
So
fair
you
enough.
can continue refining it and building on it.
Fair
Now
enough.
it is up to you. Continue vibing on it. I wouldn't say continue vibing on it, because there will be some instances where traditional coding is important. But if you are not aware of the programming language and everything, this is something which is going to help you get into that. So you will no longer be that person that, oh, I don't know how that website is made or what is
Fair enough.
done at the back
Fair
end.
enough.
I can understand everything, I can manage everything.
Sure.
And it's just 5 minutes. And just to
No,
show
it
you,
genuinely was 5 minutes. But on a serious note, I need to ask you this very importantly, which is that as far as vibe coding is concerned, there is a section of people now who has suddenly been exposed
yes,
to this plethora and of endless possibilities.
yes.
There is also a purist side to things, right? So how is it that one will probably affect the other, or they can coexist?
So see, the main idea over here is to increase your productivity.
Because 95% of companies tend to kind of go ahead and waste money in terms
Yeah.
of on things like this.
So say for example, there is a firm X, okay? There were some 500 developers. Now,
Are you talking about the firm X? Oh,
just imagine,
fair.
okay? Now, there are 500 employees and they were working on some application, okay? 100 employees gone,
Sure. Where did they go?
removed from the company.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I thought they went on a dating app.
Now, if they go on a dating app, then there is another problem. But still, let's come on this. So 400 people are now remaining. So company has started implementing AI first approach now for software development and software engineering. At the end of the day, it felt I don't need 500 people. I don't even need 400 people. I only need a team of 10 people. I only need a team of 20 people or 50 people. Those people have been removed. Now, I told you day before yesterday also, you gonna be replaced by someone who knows AI, not AI. So you need to learn, you need to understand. Another thing is, it is not going to give you a proper POC level aspect. So if organizations are working on projects, okay, it's not going to make a complete project for you.
Sure.
There are a lot of things that you have to look into. So vibe coding is just an idea. It's a kind of a
And a
methodology.
good one, a brilliant one, I think.
It's a methodology which gives you a prototype, which gives you an experimental view as to what can be done. And then you can follow your traditional approaches. Nobody is asking you
Fair
to
enough.
get rid of your traditional approaches.
Understood.
Right? So it's an added cream on the top. It's an added productivity on top of what you're actually doing. So don't.
So it embellishes your effort.
Yes.
In a word.
So you don't have to think that everything will go away, only AI will exist in terms of this. It's not like that. Because this is just giving you a prototype.
Fair.
And out of 100, 1 or 2 people may succeed in that sector.
Sure.
The idea is that you are getting a view, you are getting a prototype,
Agreed.
which you can then work on, which you can then build, which you can then experiment and continue iterating, continue refining it and polishing it and making the best app that you can build.
In finality and summation, if you were to go ahead and rate this particular app that we have been using, all of them, how would you rate them? Very quickly.
So rate in the sense, this particular app you're asking.
Let's say base 44, let's say lovable, let's
Yeah.
say.
So if you think like this, Lovable was the pioneer in terms of vibe coding. It's still.
Sure, store.
Replit is in terms of proper software development,
Fair.
in terms of algorithms and code. Bolt, Lovable, these are based on web applications primarily. But they don't give you these sort of parameters which actually help you manage your website,
Okay.
manage your application.
Okay.
Okay. So this data, this public, you can see that this section is public. So anybody can see this.
Sure.
So Lovable will not tell you all this. Okay. Lovable will not give you this domain analytics. Who opened your website? How many visits are there? Lovable is not going to give you the complete log.
It's expected that there's going to be a 1 billion revenue generated.
Obviously, because this is like vibe coding for WordPress.
Will
This is
that
actually
affect
a
your,
WordPress.
will that affect your rating?
No, no, no. See, at the end of the day, there will be many more applications which will come.
Sure.
So you give a rating, say 9 to this app.
Wow, nice.
In the future, it's going to go down. It may be 9 if they continue updating and if they continue
enough.
working behind it. But there are many softwares, many startups who failed. Up until ChatGPT was released, there were applications, convert this PDF into document,
Yes.
convert this a video file into a GIF. Now what do? Go to ChatGPT and do it. So many, who uses I love
No,
PDF?
fair enough. Fair
So
enough.
that
I mean,
idea
it's
is
an
there.
ever evolving
Yeah.
landscape that
So-
we are working in. But like I requested, this you say is 9 out of 10.
If I say from my angle, if you ask my opinion,
So let's
I
do
would
3.
say
Replete, lovable, and this.
this is the best.
Wow,
So far
nice.
for me.
Okay.
Okay. But I would suggest the audience that go ahead, take a feel, understand, use it, and then you can yourself decide, because there are a lot of things, lot of features, extended features,
Sure.
which Lovable doesn't offers you.
Got it.
You sure can do same things here also, there also, but then management wise, these things will not come.
Fair enough.
And you can look here. This is one with proper theme and everything. So I use the prompt, and here you can see these
Nice.
people, and you can see,
Unfortunately-
if, for example, you want to connect. So if you click on connect, you'll get a message. Okay.
You know, stop going ahead and teasing me because these are all dummy profiles.
But still, you got the connection, na? And
Ridiculous.
something is better than nothing,
Yeah,
at
yeah.
least in dreams.
Now you're having fun.
And obviously, you can message these people also.
Nice. Okay.
So if you say message,
Okay, listen, I think this is wonderful and it's brilliant. And as always, Sachin, I need time to
Yeah.
spend on my own app.
yeah,
All right.
yes. But
So-
the thing is, it's a good platform for those who don't know web application building or
No, I
application.
clearly see that. Definitely clearly see that.
And
And it's
Go-
something that you need to vibe.
go and experiment. You need to vibe with it. You need to see what you want, put it in the prompt, get the job done. Problem, put it in the prompt, get the
Got
job
it,
done.
got it, got it.
Keep working on it.
As always,
Okay.
Sachin, it's been a true pleasure. Thank you so
And
much. For,
before we wrap it up, one thing for all the audience.
Yeah.
See,
I'm
we
waiting.
fear what we don't understand.
It's true.
Okay, so it is up to you. You want to fear AI for 1 minute or for the rest of your life. So don't fear it. Get onto this. Get on the platform and start vibing. Once again, a very happy birthday to
Thank you so much,
Mr.
Sachin.
Stuti.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much for
And
having
it's
me.
been a wonderful little gift that you've given me. I will not get bored anymore. Well, I hope you enjoyed yourselves on Debunked. We're going to be back with lots more excitement as always. You never know, I might actually see you on our app.